Anomaly detection is a critical component in AIOps, especially when managing complex systems like Kubernetes. In this particular chapter, we will explore how identifying and addressing anomalies can drastically improve system performance and efficiency. We have chosen isolation forest algorithm for our experiment. It is uniquely suited for detecting outliers in our data, which could indicate potential issues. This approach isolates anomalies instead of profiling normal data points and making it highly effective in diverse environment. While isolation forest is the primary experiment and the algorithm of our choice for this particular demonstration and series, but there are much powerful algorithms can be employed as well, like dbscan, k-means, autoencoders. Autoencoders could be very highly effective in many use cases where the complexity of data and the feature extraction and grouping them by feature could be very useful. And they all can be employed in a mix and match for anomaly detection to scope out any false positives. Each has their own strength, and choice depends on specific scenario or data characteristic. Unfortunately, we won't be able to cover in detail about each and every algorithms, but this should lead you towards the thought process that is essential for deciding or a one or a group of algorithms. By applying this kind of a detection to our Kubernetes telemetry data, we have enabling the pinpoint areas that required our attention. This is not just about finding faults, it is about the proactive system management, identifying anomalies early that leads to faster resolution and maintenance, enhancing overall system health and performance. The benefit of anomaly detection in AIOps extend beyond simple troubleshooting. It paves the way for predictive maintenance, capacity planning, and even informed scaling decisions. Integrating these capabilities into your Kubernetes strategy will certainly ensure more resilience and cost-effective system. We will deep dive how anomaly detection can be seamlessly integrated into AIOps for Kubernetes in the coming chapters. And we will also walk through some sort of real world examples and practical applications of it.